All right, guys, here we go. We're going to take a quick look at the natural gas futures, the standard contract for Tuesday, March 7th. And as you can see, we had a little meltdown here, got under the 8 exponential, this green line. Today, not too bad. We bounced off to 20, and we were talking about that yesterday, possibly the 20 holding support near term for us. But right now in overnight trading, we're looking at a little bit of a red candle, which really doesn't mean that much right now. Let's see, when big volume comes in tomorrow during the normal trading hours, what we do. But right now, close green, a little bit on or just over that 8 exponential. When would we go long? Not financial advice, just for myself. This green dash line, our Patreon members know the significance of these lines and the measured moves where they come from. But basically 275, we want to clear, which would clear the 8 exponential and that measured move. Also, if we dump, we will be now under support. See, all this was resistance, came back in, see support. We did close under it, but not much. Back up and over that previous resistance area. So we'll see if we can, hold support. Even if we come down here to the 20, if we can build a base foundation and, it could pull its way up and out of here, natural gas, okay? However, if it fails, hey, we can go long or short, it doesn't matter. If we get under this green dash line again, we'll be under the 20, well, under the 8, obviously, under the 20. And normally you start trading, closing under the 8, you'll come down into that 20. We'll be testing that current support, crash this green dash line at I'm going to call it 244. Yeah, we'll go on a little bit heavy here. So red candle close up here under the blue dash line, trying to make this as simple as possible. Scale in a little bit, uh, to the short side. Not financial advice, but I'm just saying, just saying what I might do. And then under the 20, a little bit more under this green dash line, is probably dead coming back down to this area. Okay. But, thinking bullish, thinking positive, we run 1, 2, 3, we could also do this. So if we think about going long here, right now we're neutral, not anything going on. We'll show you UNG in a second. But get up and over the green dash line up here, we'll be over the 20, of course, over the 8 exponential, of course. And that's a major measured move here at that green dash line. I'm going to call it 275. Yeah, we'll see if we can't get a run back up to 3, maybe a little pullback again, and then possibly at, yeah, 350 or so. But, nothing's guaranteed. We'll have to see over the next couple of days how this breaks, to the upside or downside. Now, just real quick, before you get totally bored, a lot of times after a big slam down candle, you can trade, 4 to 5 days. Normally the 5th day is when you break out or break down. So we'll see if that holds true, currently with natural gas, but we'll, monitor that every day, obviously. UNG still, holding and moding short. We won't close that position unless we get a daily candle close, green candle close over that 8 exponential, that gray line, and it coincides with this green dash line, which our Patreon members know the measured move trick there for that. Yeah, we'll do a switcheroo on that if we short the long and keep the party going. But okay, guys, I appreciate you watching. Check us out on Twitter and check out our introduction to micro futures trading, all the ins and outs, all the dirty tricks Wall Street doesn't want you to know, but here we go, okay? Because if you're trying to trade without having an advantage, an unfair advantage, do you think Wall Street trades with a fair advantage? Everything is equal between you and them. Do you think the casinos in Las Vegas like an even playing field? Or do you think they might have the odds a little bit more in their favor? Yeah, you got it. So let us show you how to get those odds in your favor. All right, we will see you on the charts.